Whose shirt is that? Is this your shirt, Dave? No, sir, it's not my shirt. This is my shirt. My shirt is blue. Is this shirt Tim's? Perhaps it is. Tim's shirt is white. Tim? Yes, sir. Is this your shirt? Yes, sir. Here you are. Catch. Thank you.
Whose shirt is that? Is this your shirt, Dave? No, sir. It is not my shirt. This is my shirt. My shirt is blue. Is this shirt Tim's? Perhaps it is, sir. Tim's shirt is white. Tim? Yes, sir. Is this your shirt? Yes, sir. Here you are, Cat. Thank you.
Whose shirt is that? Is this your shirt, Dave? No, sir. It is not my shirt. This is my shirt. My shirt is blue. Is this shirt Tim's? Perhaps it is, sir. Tim's shirt is white. Tim? Yes, sir. Is this your shirt? Yes, sir. Here you are. Catch. Thank you, sir.
Catch. Yani qo'shma catch.
Lesson 11. Is this your shirt? Whose shirt is that? Is this your shirt, though? No, sir. It's not my shirt. This is my shirt. My shirt's blue. Is this shirt Tim's? Perhaps it is, sir. Tim's shirt's white. Tim? Yes, sir. Is this your shirt? Yes, sir. Here you are. Catch. Thank you, sir.
Is this your shirt, Dave? No, sir. It is not my shirt. This is my shirt. My shirt is blue. Is this shirt Tim's? Perhaps it is, sir. Tim's shirt is white. Tim? Yes, sir. Is this your shirt? Yes, sir. Here you are. Catch. Thank you.
Shirts. Shirt izning qisqartirilmasi shirts. Ankin white. Vahnagan chaqda odatdagi V emas, sizning talaffuzingizdan bilalayman. White. Hargiz white emas. Odatdagi uyg'ur tilidagi V emas, Eg'iz o'tirdan ikki tarafga ochilgan white.
Shirt is white.
This, yani tilingizni tishlab turib, zeyn talaffuz qilyapman desangiz chiqadi. This,
This.
Whose shirt is that? Is this your shirt, Dave? No, sir. It's not my shirt. This is my shirt. My shirt's blue. Is this shirt Tim's? Perhaps it is, sir. Tim's shirt's wet. Tim? Yes, sir. Is this your shirt? Yes, sir. Here you are. Catch. Thank you, sir. Here you are. Catch. Thank you, sir.
sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
White v. Yani W'nin alınışı ağız oturucu kılıp şiken açıldı. White.
Whose shirt is that? Is this your shirt, Dave? No, sir. It's not my shirt. This is my shirt. My shirt is blue. Is this shirt Tim's? Perhaps it is, sir. Tim's shirt is white. Tim? Yes, sir. Is this your shirt? Yes, sir. Here you are. Catch. Thank you very much. This is Alim's handbag. This is Alim's handbag.
This is Alim's handbag.
This is Alimi's handbag.
This is Alimi's handbag.
This is Alimi's handbag.
This is Alim's handbag. Endi bu yerda men sizga degandek odamlarni bildiradigan ismlarning keyingi bir pesh qo'yib ustiga aslini qo'ysak shu odamning degan ma'noni bildiradi. This is bu bo'lsa olimning handbag, qo'l so'mkasi.
This is my daughter's school.
This is daughter's school.
This is my daughter's school.
This is my daughter's school.
This is daughter's school.
This is my daughter's school.
Daughters, daughters emas, daughters.
This is my daughter's school.
This is my daughter's school.
This is my daughter's school.
Zafira, daughters emas, daughters, daughters. This is bu bo'lsa mening daughters, yani qizimning school, maktabi. This is my daughter's school. Hem bu yerda diqqat qildiringlar. Yani daughter degan adamni ko'rsatgachga, adamni ko'rsatgachga bir pesh qo'yib aslini qo'yversangiz shu odamning degan ma'noni bildiradi. This is bu bo'lsa my daughter's, mening qizimning school, maktabi,
This is your teacher's umbrella. Is this student's umbrella?
Is this your student's handbag?
Is this your student's umbrella?
Is this your student's umbrella? Is this your student's umbrella?
Is this your student's umbrella?
Is this your student's umbrella?
This is your student's umbrella.
Aslimda this is your student's umbrella. Bu bo'lsa sizning o'quvchingizning nemsi kunligi. Savolga aylantirish faqat bepilni oldiga chiqarib olsak bo'ldi. Kesim pilni oldiga chiqarib olsak, is this your student's umbrella? Is this your student's umbrella?
Whose is this umbrella?
This whose umbrella? Whose is this umbrella?
Whose is this umbrella?
Whose is this umbrella?
Whose is this umbrella?
How is this umbrella?
This is Tim's umbrella. Bu Tim'ninki küllüki. Is this Tim's umbrella? Bu Tim'ninki küllüki mu? Whose umbrella is this? Bu küllük kimnin?
This is Tim's umbrella. Is this Tim's umbrella? Whose umbrella is this?
This is father's car. This is my father's car.
This is father's car.
This is my father's car.
This is my father's car.
This is my father's cars. This is my father's car.
My mother job fine.
My mother job very fine.
My mother's job very fine.
My mother's job is very good.
My mother's job very good.
My mother's job very fine.
My mother's job is very nice.
My mother's job is very nice. Like my mother's job's very nice. Mother's the apamның job's the job bolsa, xizmati bolsa very nice. Inta yaxshi degan gap.
My mother's job is very nice.
My mother's job is very nice.
What is your sister's name?
What is your sister's name?
What's your sister's name?
What's your sister's name?
What's your sister's name?
What is the ayırbanmay hazırdan başlam what's the kullanılan. What's your sister's name? What's
What's your sister's name?
What's your sister's name? What's your sister's name?
What's your sister's name? What's your sister's name?
That is Jose's father. Whose father is he?
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 Whose father is he? Whose father is he? O kimden dadisi?
Whose father is he? Whose father is he?
What is her name?
What is her name?
What's his name?
What is her name?
What's his name?
What's your name?
What's her name?
Her name is Aynur. Her name Aynur. What's her name?
Dikkat qilinglar. Here emas, yani bizim emas her. Chiqdi. H'dan keyin chiqdi. Her. Her. Here emas. Qalam qo'yib qo'ysang bo'lmaydi. Herning o'zilam shu qizning, shu ayolning, shu qizvolning degan ma'nosi chiqdi. Herning o'zilam. Undasa her name is Aynur. O qizning ismi. O qizning degan ma'nosining o'zilam herdan chiqib turdi. O qizning ismi Aynur. Is her name Aynur? O qizning ismi Aynurmi? Hamda o qizning ismi nima? What's her name? Her. Dikkat qilinglar. Mesela og'zingni, kaningni chaqanchada deysizlar. Her. Shu ma'ni xato o'qimanglar. Here emas. Her. Thinking, bravo, thinking. Lam chiqadi. Her.